Photoshop is the most known and popular application worldwide, as it's so powerful to achieve such creative tasks like photo retouching and manipulation, digital art, graphic design and 3D design, web and mobile applications, and even video editing capabilities. And that's why it's a must tool for photographers and graphic designers, and even most creative fields will require Photoshop as a part of the creative process. And this course is all about how you can use Photoshop in a creative way like a professional, so you can use it in almost every art direction you're going after.